This one has a massive airtake intercooler. Here's my Abarth friend. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 automotive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Amber. Now behind me I'm actually at a Ford meet in my Abarth, but I'm glad I took my Abarth because someone else also brought their Abarth. So I got invited down by a fellow Fiesta ST owner to come to this meet, so I thought I'd bring the Abarth along. Martin's here in his Fiesta ST. So let's show you what's here so far. So yeah, it does turn out that all sorts have joined us at this Ford meet. A Toyota GT86, I think that's a Nissan Silvia MX-5. Then here's my Abarth friend, fellow Abarth lady. I told her to park next to mine, so she has. Just show you around this Abarth. So mods that she's done herself, she put on the front splitter. It is a big thing. Apparently it came with the white Team Dynamic wheels, and the exhaust is pretty cool. I'm liking the exhaust. Toyo Sport exhaust, which I think sounds really nice. Here's a few of my invites turning up. Sam the Abarth, Luke and the ST. It seems like exhaust-wise, Scorpion is the modified exhaust choice for these Fiesta STs. Martin's just picking up a few tips to start modifying his maybe. This one has a massive airtake intercooler at the front, even I can't miss that. It's probably been tuned by Revo, I'm assuming, hence the Revo stickers. This has got a massive spoiler extension on it, looks like it's been tilted right up. A lot of the gel plates are at this meet as well, a lot of the Fords have got these. And a Miltech Sport is the exhaust choice for this one. So this is a Mark 7 ST, then obviously some of the newer ones over there are the Mark 8s. Another one of the Mark 8 Fiesta STs, blue inlay on the ST badge. This one's got the side skirts. And a front splitter as well, actually. Martin did inquire about one of these a little while ago. I'm really liking the colour on this Focus ST. I've always liked the centre exhaust on these as well. Looks really nice and beefy from the back. And this is who I got invited by. So he's also got a Silver Fox ST like Martin. He's got the different lights though. Green ST badge there as well. He has also got a Scorpion exhaust. Sun strip as well, just nice little touches. Mud flap action going on there. Car is actually on. Like I say, Sam's just turned up in his Abarth, Luke's turned up in his Fiesta ST, and he's also brought another friend with him. Blue and the red, look pretty cool together. My brother had actually owned two of these, one in this colour, another one in blue. Bit of carbon action going on in the interior there. Slow right down for those ramps. So we just made it home from that local meet that we went to tonight. Got invited by another Fiesta ST owner that me and Martin should come along to a local meet, and I thought why not go along to a meet, because first it's local and second of all it's content for you guys. And although my Ford videos are never probably going to get as many views as my Abarth ones, I want to still show that I am a very varied car girl. I'm not just into the car that I own, I am into all sorts, like I've previously stated. And like I say, if this video doesn't do well because it's more Fords than Abarths, and so be it, but I'm not going to stop filming what I want to film, and I want people to come across my channel and think she films everything, not just Abarths. So yeah, it was a really cool meet. A few Fiestas there, so it was mainly a Ford meet. Modified Focus STs, modified Fords, we had a few Jap cars. I made an Abarth friend, she's now on my Insta. If you've liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and show me that you've liked it. And please make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you're notified every time a video does go off my automotive YouTube channel. Follow me on all the socials, you'll see at the end of the video where you can find me. Check out the Driven 24/7 store, link in the description. And just quickly on that topic, made some nice matte pink stickers. I absolutely love this colour, guys, and hope you agree. Chrome bloody red. Yeah, nice chrome red. So the pink one is $2.50 because it's a basic solid colour. Chrome one are in the same sort of glitter category, so they are £4. So if you want to support me more, support my YouTube more, my Abarth more, money goes towards the channel, my Abarth, do make a purchase and I will very much appreciate that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in another one. Laters.